Hello, my name is Ray John Paul Sabado, Mr. of Filipinas, Pangasinan.
Yes, Ray. At last, we're here in National Pageant. Yes, since nasubaybayan ng page namin, yung mga supporters namin, yung journey mo from local to here now sa nationals, ano yung mga learnings mo from local na madadala mo ngayon?
Siguro yung when it comes to mga natutunan ko nun is yung time management also. Sobrang lenient ko when it comes to time management. So, ayaw natin yung malilate kasi also nire-respect natin yung time ng iba.
Wow, yes, late. Lalo kay...
Yes.
Alam mo na. And ayun, na-meet mo na yung mga co-candidates mo for this edition. It added you ba pressure or excited ka ba? Anong napipil mo? Anong na-meet mo?
Actually, nung na-meet ko sila, it's a mix of pressure and also eagerness to win. Kasi nga, I will be battling with the best of the best. As you can see naman po, at sinasabi rin ng karamihan na this batch is one of the best batch so far. And andun yung pressure pero at the same time, mas na-motivate ako, mas na-fuel ako yung fire ko na manalo at ipaglaban ng probinsya ng Pangasinan.
Yes, speaking of Manalo, if ever meron kang isang kasama sa mga kasama dito, last 2 months standing kayo, sino kaya yun?
I would love to share the stage with Yasser. Hindi na tayo lalayo kasi kaibigan ko si Yasser. Personally, kaibigan ko siya. Kasi I've been working in Pampanga and I know Yasser for almost 3 or 4 years na. Magkaibigan na po kami ni Pampanga for almost 4 years. So
siya if ever.
yes.
Pagka siya yung magiging tinik mo.
Pero di ba, ang saya kasi actually di ko naman sila tinuturing na tinik. Pero at the same time, kasi hindi lang naman isa crown, di ba? I think we have 6 crown and 2 runner-up and enabled for us to get one of those crown, me and Yasser. I'll be really happy. Yeah.
Will ago, meron kayong mga statement regarding our government, our issue right now. While you doing your statement, ano yung napipil mo? Yan. So, may gusto mo pang i-add dun sa statement?
Yes po. Yung statement ko kasi is about transparency and it also talks about clear access to information. So I am really also for freedom of information bill. Kasi nga through that, tayong mga taong bayan, magkakaroon tayo ng karapatang ma-access kung saan nga ba ginagamit ng gobyerno ang pondo.
Wow! Grabe naman yun. Sobrang sobrang
Yes po.
galing sa puso. And bago tayo mag-end, invite mo yung mga supporters natin na supportahan ka and syempre manood. No?
Yes po. Please guys, do support my journey here on Misters of Filipinas and also do follow my social media, Ray John Paul Sabado at Facebook, Ray Dian Fall at Instagram, and also please watch us on our coronation night at Skydome SM North on October 22. And also follow this page also, Ginger Bex TV and Ginger Bex Pageantry.
Thank you, Ray.
Thank you po.